Want to make your photos or videos slide smoothly like this? Hi, welcome back to the CapCut desktop tutorial for beginners. In previous tutorials, we've covered the basic editing tools in CapCut desktop. Today, we're going to learn how to create a sliding side animation for your photos or videos. Let's get started. First, import the clips and sound you want to use. Here, I'll use 3 clips as an example. Make sure your clips are already cropped to your desired ratio. If your clips have original audio, don't forget to remove or mute it. Next, set the duration of each clip. In this example, I'll set each clip to 3 seconds. Then, add keyframes at the beginning, middle, and end of the clip. At the first keyframe, move the clip to the right side. At the last keyframe, move the clip to the left side. Now play the clip to see the result. You'll see the clip slide smoothly from right to left. Repeat the same step for the next clips. Place the second clip above the middle keyframe of the first clip. Then place the third clip above the middle of the second clip. Press play to see the final result. You'll get a smooth sliding sequence animation. Great! You've successfully created a side sliding animation in CapCut Desktop. This technique is commonly used to make videos more dynamic and modern. In the next video, we'll learn another powerful editing technique. Make sure to follow or subscribe so you don't miss it. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.